Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the printer model and firmware so you pick the correct menu options. Once done, gather the new SSID, password, and security type. This prevents pauses mid-process. Next, connect your smartphone or laptop to the same router or attach a USB/Ethernet cable for direct access when Wi-Fi is disabled. Now open the printer control panel wireless or network setup menu and choose Wireless Setup Wizard to start changing networks immediately. This is the first actionable step to reconfigure the connection. Once the wizard runs, scan available networks and select your new SSID. If it's hidden, choose Enter New Network Name and type it carefully. Make sure you select the correct security mode so encryption matches the router. Mismatched types cause failures. Then input the Wi-Fi password. Pause to verify capitalization and any special characters because the printer won't auto-correct. After entering credentials, choose Connect and allow the printer a minute to authenticate and obtain an IP address from the router. When the printer reports connected, print a network configuration page to verify the SSID, IP address, and signal strength so you confirm successful setup. If it fails to connect, power cycle the router and printer, wait 30 seconds, then repeat the wizard. Many issues clear with a simple reboot. If problems persist, use the HP Smart app or access the printer's embedded web server from a computer to view logs, adjust channel/security settings, or run diagnostics to pinpoint and fix the remaining network mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.